Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you another recipe for making ice cream in the Vitamix. Let's do it. So let's make this ice cream. I have my sweet dark cherries and I'm going to pour them in here. I have 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 2 pieces of frozen banana. And my surprise ingredient, 1/2 tablespoon of homemade goat cheese. Yes, goat cheese. We're gonna throw that in and let's blend away. So I am making double the amount I made the other day. So I'm going to go ahead and put in probably about a tablespoon more of goat cheese. Time for a taste test. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. If you like sweet and tart, you will love this. I would love to connect with you. Leave me comments down below. Let me know of some ideas you have for making ice cream in the Vitamix, maybe something you've added to yours that would be a great surprise ingredient. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.